Profound wellness insights at the guest bungalow.
Tea for two and two for tea. Kicking coffee. I set a goal this year to kick coffee. Are you joining me on the adventure? I love the taste, which makes this task more on the difficult side. Honestly, the caffeine content presents a big problem for me.
To continue listening or start reading, visit theguestbungalow.com.
Peace, love, and everlasting protection. Namaste. I'm Maggie Feckerty, nutritionist, experienced registered yoga teacher, certified health coach, and board-certified holistic health practitioner. If you're interested in learning more about my background and offerings, there are 2 additional hyperlinks for you here. Bye for now. Au revoir.
Profound wellness insights at the guest bungalow.